so good. All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today with you at the Fremont Skatepark, and we are going to give away this board. This is the brand new First Try Foundation deck. All of the sales of this board go to the First Try Foundation, which is really rad. It's a whole foundation that I started to give skateboards away to kids who deserve them. We also today have some brand new sneakers from FP Footwear, courtesy of Carlos, my man Lastra.
I got a box.
The shoes do come with a box.
Really? We also have a bunch of t-shirts. What do we got here?
I got some of the new spring line here, you know. Braille on the
1, 2,
shirt.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7 t-shirts, a board, and a pair of shoes.
Wow.
Let's go, people.
We got Fetty, who loves pizza.
In America.
We got Uzi, who loves rap. And we got Troy and Carlos that love America.
And I got my crazy dog that's over there right
parents,
now.
too. Have you seen this shirt with my face on it?
How's your board, sir? Let me see. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. You got a trick for us? Anything, dude.
Front side 180?
Front side 180 it is. Come on! What? Wow. Who's next? You. Right there. Do a trick. Oh. What? Come on! And you. Dang. Wait, we gotta see this board here. Still pretty good though. Okay. Give me that shove. Dang. This right here might be the worst board. This is definitely in the running. See that chip? Wait, look at these trucks. I can't tell what's wobbling, but something is wobbling. Whatever you got, dude. Do your thing. You got it. Don't be shy. Dang, what? Get out of town. Okay, who's got a trick on an obstacle? Who do you think you got the worst board?
Oh.
Oh, ew. His wheels aren't even the same color.
I know.
Oh, no. Okay, do a trick. Oh, got him. Do a kickflip, you got it. Should we go to like an obstacle? Let's go mini bowl. Dude, he might have the worst board.
Totally, it's totally in the back too.
Oh, man. Does he get a shirt for that? Rock and roll, hoochie coo. You gotta give him a shirt for that.
Deliverer of shirts.
I think there's only one large.
One large, boom, and you got it.
Thank you.
You earned it.
Bam, I got this one. You got that
San
one right there.
Francisco. Boom.
Ooh, who gets the one with my face on it?
Oh!
What'd you try to say?
Carlos! Oh my God!
Some vulgar stuff.
Fetty's trying to steal the video from the kids. Leave it in the comments below. All right, let me see your board. Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah, not bad. You got a trick? Any trick you want.
Kickflip?
Kickflip, you got it.
Do it.
Oh, you got it. Let's go, let's go.
Here, come this.
Whoa!
Yeah!
There you go. Yeah,
You get a shirt, dude.
Thank you.
Only extra small.
Thank you.
You want some t-shirts? I got some t-shirts over here. If you come over here,
Ow,
you get
ow.
some t-shirts.
You got some tricks for us?
Me?
Any tricks?
Can I do a cartwell?
Yes.
A cartwell? Are you
Heck
kidding
yeah.
me?
I won't land it.
Well, that's kind of a
I'll
requirement
try.
here. Worst part is, okay, go ahead.
Yeah?
Where are you
Can I?
going?
Right over here.
Her board has 8 wheels. It's so confusing.
Oh!
First try. What? You gotta get your contacts.
I know.
I present you with a token of your our appreciation. I don't know what I'm saying. You win.
Oh my
You're a
gosh.
winner.
It's a medium.
It'll fit. I'll crop top
Okay.
it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Wait, who are you?
That was amazing.
We don't even know ourselves, to be honest.
That's okay.
Good job. You killed it.
Journey to find out. I love it.
That's right.
Thank you.
Yeah, that was awesome. This is the most important shirt of the day.
I need somebody to have a shirt with my face on it, but I don't want to give it to them because I feel awkward.
He was just telling me that he could do a grab. Where do you want to do the grab?
Right here, I'm gonna start from there. I'm gonna roll in. After I'm gonna air out and grab over there.
Wait, so the grab is here, right here?
On that side.
Over on that side. Okay, we'll be over there waiting for you. What? Get out of town! Come on! Nah.
I got a small and 2 mediums.
Who's this little kid? Hey, let me see your board.
Let's see your board.
It's like really good. Do a trick for us.
What? Damn! Yeah, damn, Daniel. Yeah, boy!
All right, what's your name? Where are you from?
Born in SF, grew up in Oakland.
Grew up in
Came
Oakland?
out. Yeah.
And you got a big flip on the pyramid? Was this how day one? Skates? You can do it.
I'll try. You earned yourself a new pair of shoes, man. Thank you, Courtesy of
Carlos.
FPN shoes, man. Insoles. FPN shoes. That's what I'm start calling them, man.
Footprints in the shoes. I mean, technically that's what you do, right? Got him. Okay, guys. So it's your birthday.
Yes, it is.
So if you can land a trick within 3 tries, we will give you this shirt. But it has to be like pretty good. Like tray flip, back nose blunt the rail or something. Yeah, okay.
Okay. How about
You see? The pressure's on now, isn't it?
it is.
He's 12 years old today, people. Today!
Okay. I guess I'll just do.
Man,
it's
the
so
pressure is
much pressure.
on.
It's so much pressure.
Okay, give it a wang denga.
What? Oh, first try.
Oh.
First try.
What is this? Happy birthday! That's
Whoa, nice. Okay. It's 10 times too big, but thanks.
We'll go into it. Happy birthday.
And what do you guys got?
I'm not that good. I only have like an ollie.
Do an ollie.
Oh, I can ollie. Watch this. Watch it. You have this.
Oh,
Yeah! Go, Johnny!
yes!
Go, Johnny! Front side 180.
Oh, yeah.
You guys rock. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Birthday!
Boom.
It's your birthday? How old is you today?
Dude, look at that.
Ruined a pair of scissors, but it's all good, man.
Dude,
it's all good.
so good. Hey, let's go, let's go.
I'm gonna get it.
He had like the hardest knuckles I've ever felt. He broke my hand in 7 places. Come on! Oh no!
I'm telling you, you gotta treat it like you're crossing the street. Look both ways
Do
before you go
want a
down.
shirt? Oh, you're Carlos.
You got this right here. Let's go.
I feel like he wants a shirt. What you got?
You fakey shoves.
Fakey shove. Throw
Down.
it. Send it.
Oh, you got that.
Oh yeah! No pop, but it's all good.
It's the one with my face on it.
I'm chill with that.
It's got my face on it. This is a special one
Tight.
because it's got my face on it, and I feel awkward handing it out with my face on it.
It is a little weird, but
It's
all good.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet.
What's your name?
Nigel. Rico.
we got a challenger. He wants to launch off of the wall ride onto the side.
What?
Yep, I know,
No
that's what I
way.
said.
Well deserved. I got one last medium. I got one more medium.
Oh! Yeah! Woo!
Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Woo! Yeah.
He said he thinks the tray flip is easier than the kick flip. What in the world?
Yeah. You got it!
Ollie, first try for the shirt. It's got to be first try though. Yeah, you got that. Yeah. First ever Ollie down the 5. Yeah, Finn! Come on! Oh. No big deal. It's just a brand new shirt. It's like, you know, you could get a brand new shirt any day. Oh, you got it! He's never ollied a 5 before. You got it. That's sick. Yeah! That was so good.
Awesome.
You rocked that? Did you rock that? Yes. You killed it. You killed it. Oh! You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, right here. Tray flip for the board. Yep. Oh! Woo! No, Carlos, no! Oh! What did you see what Carlos did yesterday? And now he's doing this right now.
Yeah, Cthulhu cannot be stopped.
I cannot stop the Cthulhu. Yeah!
You don't know how much help you how much you helped me, because without before I couldn't do anything ollie or anything. But
Dude,
thank you.
you're killing it. Oh, you got that. Oh, dude. You got that. Oh, so good. My bad.
Oh my gosh!
Wow. All right, good sir, you absolutely killed it. Well done, well played. Check out all those other videos right there. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and go to BrailleSkateboarding.com and get your rank in the Braille Army. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.